Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at navigating our CAD feature with our 3D widget. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. And like I mentioned in the previous video, we looked at navigating our 3D space here with the navigation widget, which is on top here. Now we're going to be looking at the 3D widget, which is located here on the top right. Now, something also to keep in mind with most of these things, this little icon here on the bottom left will tell you the position of things of your 3D space. So if you get a bit lost, you can look where it's up and down and so forth and get a better idea of it. So if I just make a basic rotation here, we can currently see that Y is going in this direction, X is horizontal, so Y is up and down, or not up and down, sorry, say forward and backwards, X is left and right, and Z or Z is up and down. Now, if you're used to 3D softwares, this might be quite universal for you, where you get the space, but keep in mind that this word is not standing up straight, but actually laying down flat. So that is why the Z is up and down. But yeah, otherwise, so that is one way to navigate or make sure you know where you are. But next up, we'll be looking at this little icon. I'm just going to zoom in here so you guys can have a better view of it, and you can see the icon here. Now, as you can see, some things highlight as we hover over that, and that means it's areas of interest or areas that can control the 3D widget. I mean the 3D space. So first of all, the most basic is we just click here on this cube, and we keep our left mouse button in. Then if we rotate this, it will rotate our design according to this cube. So don't look at your design too much while doing it, but kind of look at the cube and which angle you want it, and then it will make the navigation slightly easier. And then but you might notice if we want to rotate, you can do it if you go left and right, but there's also another way you can do it. It's a little bit more consistent. So now at any point, if you want to reset it, go to your home, okay, yeah, then you'll see this little round red bar. If I click on that and holding my left mouse button, I can rotate this design, moving my mouse up or down or left and right. So that is another way you can do it. And also all these buttons that highlight, if you single click on them, like top, it will go to the top. If I click and hold, move, and then we go to the front, and if I click on that one, it will align it to the front view. Now also we have the in-betweens, which is nice, so you can get a nice in-between angle here if you want to look at it from a specific angle. And yeah, otherwise, like I say, just combine it with these ones, and then you can reset it once you are happy. So it's rather straightforward. So with this widget, you can left click and hold in with a lot of these features, and they will do actions. And the ones that's highlighted, you can also just simply click on them and that will do actions. So this is a nice alternative way to navigate this if you don't want to use these widgets or your mouse. And for rotation, I definitely recommend that's not a bad one, seeing that that rotation button doesn't work. But yeah, otherwise that is it on navigating your 3D space with the 3D widget. Before we carry on, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.